Hi.
There's two little
Hey. Hey. Is it too late at night? Hi. Hi, Pierre. Read the book?
I give Bella her Bob book.
Well, I think she already has the book right now. Hi.
Say cheese. Who's in there? Cheese.
Yeah.
Can you make a face, little monkey? Who's in there? Who's in there? Who's in there?
Can you put your puzzle piece away?
Yay!
I
Can
give.
you look at here? Alright. If I pick up this book, will you pick up the other one and show it to me? Oh, look at those butterflies. Yeah. Oh, there's another book over here. Yes, look at this one. Oh my goodness. The sun has a smiley face. Oh my goodness. Put it inside. Put it in the hole. Keep trying. Keep trying. Yay! Good job, Bella! Yeah.